first time I suck pussy, I want to bar me there.
Yeah.
And I hear the man them say, nasty man suck pussy. And I say, boy, I left every man to their own philosophy also. No go and roast your man and a batty man. Right? 3 days after that, no one go back at the bar. The girl asked me if me, the thing when me when do one night, if me do it for you. I say yes. He said then you can't do it to me, but me never know say express. Me see girl lock the 2 windows and left the 2 door open. Lock the 2 door and left the 2 windows open. And call me round at the room. Round the counter. And me ground there. So when me ground there, the girl chip himself naked as the game born. The pussy fat and pretty, me say, boy, me have to go down for me knee.
I say you go shot.
Me say me have to go down for me knee. And me hear that song come in my head. Satan tried to deceive me. When I was in my room one day, he tried to tell me that my troubles, they would never go away. So confused, with no one to help me or show me the way, until I kneel right by my bedside. And I kneel up on me and I smell it and I start tasty. I say blood clot. I find myself target like it. And I found the answer.